Okay guys, so what I'm going to do with this one, this is okay in there and just coming up a little bit there. I'm putting this on like that. It should just about fit it there, so it sticks on nice and firm there, and then I can use that gear. Hey guys, so just found out about spot welding. Can you believe it? Look at this. It's fantastic. Saves me all the hassle. To show you the machine there. Great. Okay guys, I'm going to test it on air. I know air should work because there's a lot of pressure in the air, but I'm not sure how much pressure will come out of that. Maybe we'll leave that for next time, but let's at least see if it runs on air. There we go. So you can see that. So that's working fine. Okay, let's try again. I think you can see. Oh, it's working on the carpet as well. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and next time I'll try and put it on steam. I'm not sure, like I said, if it will work on steam, because the air is a lot of pressure in the air there. I need the same pressure in the steam to do the same work. See you next time.